It's not the destination, it's the journey. Hey guys, it's time to head out. We are going to go to a different area, I guess you could say. Meeting up with Dustin. You've all seen Dustin before, Silver Xterra. We have Drew and his brother coming. I'm all packed for overnight. I'm not sure if that's gonna be what's gonna happen. They're calling for 4 to 7 inches of rain today. It's a lot of rain. So if it's gonna rain that much, I don't think I'm gonna stay. But we are gonna do a day trip. We are gonna go explore a different area that we haven't really been to much, and try to find some snow. I think do a little bit of a snow run. I don't know, spend the day out in the mountains and see what kind of trouble we can get into. I don't want to get into trouble, but should be fun. All right, at the meeting place, we are waiting for Dustin, Drew, and his brother. Dustin's running about 30 minutes behind. Drew said he's running a little bit behind. So we're just hanging out. I'm gonna wait for them. We'll make a game plan. Got a call from the wife. Yeah, it's not looking very good up there. She's working up in the general area of where we're heading. Lots of wind, lots of rain. So we might be cutting down a lot of trees. Yeah, should be fun. I want to find some snow. I know it's dumping snow on the pass right now, heavily, and I want to go plow through some snow. I want to test my lockers in the snow, see how that does, and have some fun. We got all the recovery gear just in case. We got my Garmin just in case. So we got a lot of backups, and should be a fun day. So we'll see how today goes, and catch you in a little bit.
Today, 54. Tonight, 48. And Sunday, 58. Extended forecast. Monday, rain.
Yeah, I could see that, but that'd be so fun. That's one of my bucket lists.
Oh, for sure. That'd be sweet.
Ship these things over to Alaska, or ship it, just bypass Canada.
Yeah, that'd be spendy, but the offset and gas savings might be worth it.
Yeah, and then it kind of gives you more time in Alaska than going through Canada. Doesn't it take quite a long time to get through Canada?
I think if you drive it straight, that's probably a couple days.
Damn.
I know Anchorage, Alaska's 40 hours. Yeah, and for reference, from here to Minnesota is 26. When I drive it, it's a day and 2 hours. I was gonna say, I know from here to Chicago is about 37. I did that in one stint.
Alright, we're about 12 miles from our turnoff. Doing good so far. It's raining like a sieve. So I don't think we're gonna stay overnight, but we are gonna go do some exploring. It's definitely wet. I really would hope we find some snow. So we'll just keep on going and seeing what we come across. I think we're gonna try finding a spot to stop and have lunch and kind of just chill for a little bit. So it should be fun. See you at the beginning of the trailhead.
That's the one you take to go further. I know there's a couple different ways to get there.
Yeah, Trapper 3.
Yep, that's the one you take to go up there. That's where it starts going up, pretty quick after it. I think that was 15, 16. there. I'm looking at my notes because I had it all detailed out. Yeah, I'll look and see. I think it was 15, 16 is the one that goes up around. I think they call it like Wolfhead Rock. That's the other landmark. It's close to the forest to go up there. There's a giant cave up there I want to hike to someday. Like, it's this fucking massive hole in the rock. Like, looks like it's a real bitch to get to, but there's a place you can pull off and go out there. It'd be interesting. I like that.
What's that?
Sounds like that big ass drop off right there. Take it out of 4 low. I'll catch up to you.
Okay.
It's not as bad as it looks back there. How you guys liking those new shocks? I bet it's a big difference, isn't it? What was that? How you liking those new shocks? I bet it's a big difference, isn't it? Oh god, yeah, no, it's night and day. We didn't have a shock before, they were dead. Really? Oh, so that's even better. Dude, the body roll used to throw me into the fucking door panel. Did you guys get rid of the sway bars yet? No, not yet. I was wondering, I saw you take a corner, I'm like, I don't got no body roll. It'll make a big difference too in how much your wheels can travel. Yeah. No, it's, ever since they got it fixed up, it's feeling pretty good. Cool. Yeah, I take corners, man, and this thing fucking feels like it's gonna roll over and die. Yeah, that's how we work. Waterfall, Nick.
Yeah.
Oh, almost brought a sled. I have a couple up in the attic. But do you guys have an air compressor for air and down and up? I do. Could have brought some inner tubes. Oh, that would have been a good idea. I think Nick has one too.
Yeah, I got it on board here.
Gotcha. It's getting a little deep.
Yeah, it is.
I think my diff is combing the center here a little bit. You guys are just up over it by like probably 4 inches.
This would be a cool fucking drone shot.
Say again?
So this would be a cool ass drone shot.
Oh yeah, to follow us through.
What?
Somebody's spinning some tires.
Who?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, it's like a 5.6. That's why. It's not, I don't love it.
The Nikon Sigma, so I went.
Heck yeah, found some snow. I got snow in my boots. I got snow in my boots. A little chilly.
Crop it at all, and like I have a ultra wide monitor, 34 inch. So it's like when I throw shit on that, it stretches it, I can see it. I can see the grain.
Well, part of it too, though, is the resolution of your monitor versus, you know, that's part of it too, is the monitor.
Yeah.
Because you're stretching the image out to a different resolution from what it's intended for. There, it's shot at a certain amount of pixels in a certain frame, and then you're stretching it out. So that might be part of
that is the issue. But you know, it's like if you get a higher megapixel version, like I could literally go out and get the A7 Mark II. I think it's the R, which has the higher megapixel.
Yeah.
So
that's why I got that D800, because it's old, but it's a 36.1, and I do a lot of landscape photography. And for me, you know, like I got from him, my first one was a D3400, it's a 26.1.
All right, we're heading out of here. It's getting cold. We're gonna actually go to a restaurant and grab some grub, and then I think we're gonna head back to town. It's almost 1 o'clock, so got a little bit of time up here. I think we're gonna wait for the snow to hit harder, and then probably do some camping. But it's weather isn't so hot right now. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to focus on the road. It's a little icy. Yeah, it was kind of fun. Got to test out the new locker in the snow. Did pretty good. Oh, we just went and had some lunch at Dakota's. Dakota's is amazing if you've never been there. It's up 126 in Rainbow. Really good food, good people. We went, ate there. Just want to come down here to the river real quick and check it out. It is raining so hard. It's time to head home. The rivers are starting to get super high. Flooding, landslides, trees coming down. So, not a good predicament, I guess. We still had fun. We will head home and hang out for a little while. But yeah, the river is it is super high. I'm trying to get down there so I can show you guys here real quick before we head out, but yeah, I'll show you here in a second. Look how much this river's risen. You usually can walk out, I don't know, or 10, 15 feet. I guess they weren't kidding. This is insane. Amount of rainfall. Nuts. All right, time to get out of here. It is nasty, nasty, nasty. I don't mind the weather typically. I don't really care. Rain usually doesn't bother me, but when it's just been rain, 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 rain and non-stop, that's where it sucks. Not fun. Got out of my car for 30 seconds and I'm soaked. Anyway, oh, what do we got going on up here? Uh-oh. Let's see what we got. Alrighty then. Oh, we have ourselves a landslide. Awesome. That'll do it. Well, there you have it. Landslide, heavy rainfall, snow, rivers, good food. Yeah. Anyway, successful day in my opinion. I'm gonna head home and hang out and get dry. So, till next time. next plan is. Something. Probably be short trips until after the first of the year. And then, I don't know, we're talk of going to, I think it's called Hell's Canyon, at some point this next year. We're going to do Leslie Gulch again next year. Quite a few things that we want to do. So stay tuned. Like, subscribe. If you like my content, and I'll keep it going. So this is what we do, and I hope you guys enjoy it.